Right, so hello, today I'm going to break down how you can do this move, which is an extremely basic move. So, let's break it down. There's a lot of concepts that go into this, but I'm going to break it down with the best of my ability, so you'll be able to do this by the end of this video. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a big circle like this, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to try and draw an oval with the stick that you're holding, so you're going to be pointing this forward, okay? And I want you to draw a nice elongated oval. Do it both ways. Because if you do it this way, you're able to do it from this side, and if you can do it this way, you're able to do it this side. So it does come in handy, yeah, to be able to do the bicep clutch with both sides, but it isn't needed for this move. So when we draw this oval, we get this on our bicep like this. Now first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to pay attention to the direction that your hand is facing. You're going to point the hand at your face, so your palm is facing your face. Next of all, what we're going to do with this part of the hand now, we're going to turn it in and we're going to bring this down. This is going to cause the stick which you've got in this bicep clutch to point up. Now next of all, we need to concentrate on the positioning of our hand, okay, because we're going to need to push out like this and catch the stick. So one, like this. Bring it down and then flick out. Now next part of this move is going to be straightening this whole thing out. So what you're going to do is you've got this in a reverse grip and it's upside down. You're going to draw a circle here. Okay, and then you're going to flick this out, and you're here. Then all you need to do is initiate a syncopated wrist roll. See, when you're here and then here, and you bring this here, you need to flick this up, and then initiate the syncopated wrist roll. You see, to initiate the syncopated wrist roll, all you're going to need to do is you can hold this in the standard reverse grip, standard grip. And what you're going to do is you're going to put this over the back of your hand, and that's going to cause a syncopated wrist roll. And you're going to let it roll, and you're going to catch it, yeah, like this. So the palm needs to be facing down, and you're going to be grasping it like this and closing your hand around the stick. So boom, 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 and done. So hope this video helps you out, and I'll see you next time.